What are exogenous ketones? Exogenous ketones are synthetic or artificial ketones taken as supplements. Instead of relying on the body to metabolize fats from the diet and produce endogenous or internal ketones nutritionally, which can be a slow process for some people, especially if you're just starting out on keto, you can take exogenous ketones instead, and you can consume energy directly from them because they're basically ready-made ketones. Most exogenous ketone supplements are made from beta-hydroxybutyrate, the ketone most used by your body. Ketone supplements come in different forms and are used to achieve different goals, including to save time with a convenient alternate energy source, to increase fat burning, to reduce keto flu symptoms if you're just starting out, enhance physical and/or mental performance, like as a pre or post-workout supplement, and aid in the recovery of a cheat meal. Ketone esters are the raw beta-hydroxybutyrate without it being bound to any other compound. These are utilized quicker in the body and more effectively raise blood ketone levels. But the downside is that the taste is nearly unbearable and they can cause an upset stomach. Ketone salts are a form of exogenous ketone supplements where the ketone, which is usually called BHB or beta-hydroxybutyrate, is bound to a salt. And it's typically sodium, calcium, magnesium, or potassium, which are all electrolytes. So although they are not quite as efficient as raising blood ketone levels as the ketone esters, they taste much better and they don't upset the stomach as much. And so this is why it is the most commonly used ketone supplement on the market today. Now, MCT oil, or MCT, which stands for medium chain triglyceride, is often made from coconut oil. By extracting the specific fats or chains the body can use most effectively. MCT oils can be used to raise ketone levels, but remember this happens indirectly, so they are not true exogenous ketones, but they still have the same benefits. Personally, I prefer to use MCT oil over exogenous ketones. The MCTs have to be broken down and made into ketones before being used for energy. Now, this type of supplement is less effective at raising blood levels of ketone if you are just starting out on keto, but if you're already in ketosis, I find that MCT oil actually raises my ketone levels more than exogenous ketones. Now, it's important to note that MCTs, such as MCT oil and MCT powder, are saturated fat and are calorie dense, but it is the most convenient way to give your body high quality fats. Now, current evidence suggests that exogenous ketones enhance performance in athletes and can even help manage diseases, including epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cancer. However, their health effects are still being studied and more information is required to confirm their short and long-term effectiveness for these conditions.